When it comes to upgrading or replacing the windows in your Pasadena home, many homeowners may consider a DIY approach to save on costs. However, opting for professional window installation is often the best choice for ensuring the job is done right. Professional installers bring expertise, quality materials, and efficiency to the table, making the investment well worth it. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of professional window installation in Pasadena, highlighting why choosing an experienced installer is the right decision for your home's comfort, aesthetic appeal, and long-term value. Expertise and precision. One of the primary advantages of hiring a professional for window installation is the expertise they bring to the project. Window installation is not as simple as it may seem. Proper measurements, alignment, and sealing are critical to ensuring that your windows fit perfectly and perform efficiently. Correct measurements. Professional installers have the tools and experience to take precise measurements of your window openings. Incorrect measurements can lead to ill-fitting windows, resulting in gaps, drafts, or difficulty opening and closing the windows. Attention to detail. Installers understand the importance of correct installation methods, ensuring that your windows are securely fitted and properly sealed. This attention to detail guarantees the longevity and performance of your new windows, reducing the likelihood of future issues. Avoiding common mistakes. DIY window installations often come with the risk of mistakes, such as improperly sealing the window or using subpar materials. Professionals know the ins and outs of the installation process, which helps prevent these issues and ensures the job is done correctly the first time. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Proper installation is crucial for achieving maximum energy efficiency with your new windows. Poorly installed windows can lead to drafts, air leaks, and reduced insulation, causing your home's heating and cooling systems to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Tight seals. A professional installer will make sure that your windows are properly sealed, preventing air leaks. This ensures your windows perform as intended, maintaining a consistent temperature inside your home, no matter the season. Well-sealed windows contribute to lower energy costs and a more comfortable indoor environment. Improved insulation. With the right installation, your new windows will offer enhanced insulation and thermal efficiency. This means better protection against heat loss in the winter and reduced heat gain in the summer, resulting in lower energy consumption and savings on your utility bills over time. Long-term savings. When windows are installed properly, they perform at their peak efficiency, reducing the need for constant heating or air conditioning. As a result, your home becomes more energy efficient, helping you save money in the long run. Increased home value. If you're looking to increase the value of your home in Pasadena, investing in professional window installation can be an excellent way to do so. New, high-quality windows can enhance your home's curb appeal, improve its energy efficiency, and give it a modern, updated look. Curb appeal. Well installed, attractive windows can make a huge difference in how your home is perceived. Whether you're looking to sell or just want to improve your home's appearance, professionally installed windows provide a sleek and polished look that enhances your property's exterior. Appraisal value. New, energy-efficient windows can also increase your home's resale value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with new windows that offer better insulation, security, and visual appeal. A professional installation ensures that your windows will not only perform well but also look great. Enhanced safety and security. In addition to improving the aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency of your home, professional window installation can enhance your home's security. Old, damaged windows or improperly installed windows can create weak points in your home's defenses. Stronger frames and hardware. Professional window installers ensure that your windows are properly fitted and secured within the frames, reducing the risk of them being easily compromised. High-quality windows with strong locks and reinforced frames offer better protection against break-ins. Safety features. Many modern windows come with safety features like double locks, tempered glass, and impact-resistant panes. Professional installers can help you choose windows that are not only stylish but also provide peace of mind when it comes to the security of your home. Time efficiency and convenience. Installing windows yourself can be a time-consuming and physically demanding task, especially if you're unfamiliar with the process. Professional window installers have the necessary tools, experience, and manpower to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Quick turnaround. What might take you a weekend or more to complete could be done in a matter of hours by a professional team. This saves you time, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your life or home improvement projects. Minimal disruption. Professional window installation is designed to minimize disruption to your daily routine. Installers will ensure the job is completed promptly and cleanly, with minimal mess or inconvenience. No stress. Window installation can be a stressful task, especially when dealing with the complexities of fitting new windows. Hiring a professional installer means you can avoid the hassle, leaving the hard work to the experts while you enjoy the benefits. Warranty and peace of mind. When you hire a professional installer, you often benefit from warranties on both the windows and the installation work. This provides peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise, you have support and protection for your investment. Manufacturer's warranty. Many window manufacturers offer warranties on their products, covering issues such as defects in materials or performance problems. If you've hired a professional installer, they may also offer a warranty on the installation, giving you confidence that the job was done correctly. Post-installation support. A professional installer can also provide maintenance advice and ongoing support, ensuring that your windows continue to perform well for years to come. Conclusion. While it may be tempting to tackle window installation on your own, hiring a professional is the best way to ensure that the job is done right. From expert installation and energy efficiency to increased home value and enhanced security, the benefits of professional window installation in Pasadena are clear. Not only will you enjoy a more comfortable, safe, and beautiful home, but you'll also experience long-term savings and peace of mind. By choosing a professional installer, you're making an investment in your home's future.